Today we're going to talk about the grammar section in the transfer test. So out of the three, spelling, punctuation and grammar, I think the grammar is the easiest because we're just looking for words to make the sentences grammatically correct. And a good way to do this is to go through each of the options to see which makes the most sense. So with our grammar questions, we are going to try and select the correct option that will make the sentence grammatically correct. So we're choosing the best word or group of words for each sentence. So with our first one, we have tomorrow I will go to school. So tomorrow I will go to school. So it hasn't happened yet, but it is going to happen tomorrow. So our answer is option B, will go. The cat was scratching, will scratch the new sofa. So our scratching the new sofa, our answer is option A. The boy asked for an chocolate bar for his treat. So we are looking at the beginning letter of chocolate, which is C. So if the word begins with a vowel, which is A, E, I, O, or U, we would choose an. But because it's not beginning with a vowel, it's beginning with a consonant, so all the other letters, it would be a chocolate bar. So our answer is option A chocolate. Teacher heard, ill or misheard the student's answer. So these are our prefixes, and these are a group of letters that go at the beginning of a word to change the meaning. So the one that creates a real word is miss. So the teacher misheard the student's answer. So the other options don't create real words, so that is why our answer is miss. Just like with spelling and punctuation, it is good to keep the grammar concepts fresh in your child's mind. So again, there's just 3 little grammar sentences here, short and sweet, but keep the brain ticking over and keeping everything nice and fresh. So just like what we would do in the test papers, we are going to choose the best word or group of word that makes the sentence grammatically correct. So the first one is tomorrow I go, will go, going, went. So tomorrow, it hasn't happened yet, it's in the future, so it would be will go. Tomorrow I will go on holiday. The girl wanted a, on, an, or orange. So the word orange begins with a vowel, and our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So if a word starts with a vowel, we need to put an in front of it. So not a orange, an orange. And our last one, the lady misheard, disheard, unheard the question. So what did she do? These are our prefixes that go at the beginning of heard to change the meaning. So she misheard, disheard, ill-heard, unheard the question, don't make sense. They're not grammatically correct. So just like that, we've had a quick little refresher of grammar concepts.